This is a practice test of the J93.1 system. In an event of emergency, this test would be activated. The counties affected for the J93.1 practice message includes the following counties: Litchfield, Berkshire, Massachusetts; Albany County, New York; Columbia County, New York; Dutchess County, New York; Fulton County, New York; Greene County, New York; Hamilton County, New York; Herkimer County, New York; Montgomery County, New York; Rensselaer County, New York; Saratoga County, New York; Schenectady County, New York; Schoharie County, New York; Ulster County, New York; Warren County, New York; Washington County, New York; Allegheny County, Pennsylvania; Beaver County, Pennsylvania; Bennington County, Vermont; and Windham County, Vermont. This